Get ready for the new FASTSUITE 2024.2 with amazing new features including several advancements in our Fixture Builder, like the ability to create datum flanges in only one side of the workpiece, creating masking surfaces for wall support offsets, increased radius for fittings, and a whole new reimagining system to create reliefs and chamfers in the corners of the fixture, as well as a new clamp library to complement our clamp tower capabilities, where you can use this as a template also to create your own clamps. We have enhanced the capabilities to work with multiple units and robots at the same time, with a brand new balancing and sequencing panel. You can see the total time for each one of the programs of different robots. You can modify and adjust what operations are made by every robot and get an immediate update of how long this is gonna take, so you can balance and sequence to get the best possible results of your process. And now, it is also possible to visualize the motion of 2 or more robot units within the Events and Teach environment, with a brand new background simulation that allows to have total pre-visualization of what is the robot's position relative to one another, including external axis and motion events. We have extended the capabilities of our automatic linking path generation to support 5-axis Ganter machines, so now you can have full autonomous offline programming, also for laser cutting machines. And talking about APO and autonomous programming, we have simplified the interface of the parameters required by APO, so the default values are selected automatically depending on the application, and keeping only the ones that are used the most commonly, so you can enjoy a true one-click programming straight off FASTSUITE E2. We have enabled now the possibility to create Python uploaders. So now it is possible to have a full round cycle of download and upload, everything within the context of Python. And we have started the support of the uploaders with a brand new Cinumeric 1 from the Prima machines, as well as an extended support for a connector for the Cinumeric 1 for the new Laser Next. All of this and much more, like enhancements in the process geometry, surface cladding, XML export, enhancements in the simulation. So get ready for all of these enhancements and much more with the new version of FASTSUITE 2024.2.